No, 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 my God.
Hi guys, it's Claire and Chelsea. Today we're going to Myeongdong City. So we went overnight. Like we didn't go to the bus. We went overnight and then there's so much stores here. There's BTS and there's even BTS there. If you're going there, you have to look for these red people wearing a red jacket and a red cap. If you see them somewhere, you can get a map so you can go wherever you want. So you won't get lost. And stay close to your mom or dad because there's a lot of people and stuff. They speak English and Chinese and Japanese or any kind of language. Yeah, whatever language you want. There's Nature's Republic, Milky, Club Leo. My mom's favorite store is Holy Moly. No, hers is Nature's Republic. No. It's both. It's Innisfree. Oh yeah. A lot of people have sale there. It's very nice. And it's like very, very cheap. And look at all those things. There's a lot of face masks there also. And my favorite store there is the toy store because our dad gave us each 1,000 and buy whatever we want in that store. It's called 10,000. 10,001 is like I think what? No, it's crazy 500. It's called Crazy Store. It's called. That's funny. You show. Two of these. It's like what do you call it? Like yogurt thingies inside the straw. Then I bought some juice. Yeah, there's a berry. Yeah, because at nighttime they will always go. Small trucks will go and then they will. You mean cars? They will get some people to buy from the store. Next, we went to the cheese dog. That's the first food we ever had. It's so delicious, but there's some in other countries too. But that's delicious, and when you pull it out, it will like make a big cheese something. Yeah, and Ate got one, and then I got one without any sauce, but it quite tastes good. And then when I you'll see later, it's very stretchy. That's her mayonnaise and ketchup cheese dog. It's very hot. I'll give it to you fresh. And there's also there's cheese and hot dog or a sausage inside it. Stretch it. And stretch it. 3, 2, 1, and Crazy Chelsea. Jinx, double drinks, triple drinks, infinity drinks. It was so yummy. A lot of them are very yummy. My favorite one was the cheese dog. Next we bought some pomegranate juice. It was a little bit sour and a little bit. I bought the pomegranate. It's quite good for your belly. Yeah, it's nice. Tastes I forgot what it tastes like. Very sour, Claire. Huh? Sour, I guess. Yeah, what is it? It's like a bit sweet. Is it salty? Is it bitter? Is it sweet? No, that's not bitter.
It's sweet.
I don't think you know what bitter is. No, I don't. For real. Twist potato. That's twist potatoes. Like it's like French fries. Look. It's twist like potato with like you'll see they'll give change and then look. It's very cool. There's also like soy sauce powder. It's like powder. See, they're gonna give us a fresh one. Claire chose cheese. The cheese is delicious. And it's very long. The other option was onion or lettuce. No, it's sour cream. Oh, okay. Look how long it is. I'm still eating my cheese dog. It's a corn dog. Corn dog. I call it cheese dog because there's cheese in it and a dog inside. The dog is the hot dog, but it's a sausage. I've been so hungry. I want it. If you're gonna look for it, it's 4,001. But if you give more than that, they will give you change. Hot, Claire, hot. Very hot. You're saying your own name. Congratulations. Yes. Happy birthday. Hot. At the tippy top, it looks like it tastes like cheese. But next we went to the ice cream fish. It's like ice cream but in a fish cone. Yeah, it was very cute. Yeah, very cute and very yummy. And there's like on top of it, there's honey from a real beehive. It's called a honeycomb. Honeycomb? Comb. First, wait. So the bees comb their hair with honey? Crazy. Crazy, Chelsea. I don't understand you. You say honeycomb, so they comb their hair with honey. Well, that's the honeycomb. You're not supposed to eat the wax because wax is not for you. But you can just like sip it. If you know what sip is, you can sip. Look at this, it's a fishy! Sucking it. I want ice cream. Yeah, and then you like spit it out. Ow. I like the ice cream part. It's good with the honey too. Yeah, it was very delicious and the cone is super delicious. They also had always drink water after. Next time Chelsea stole mine. Next time if we go there, I want it to see a honeycomb shaped as a bee with combing its hair with a comb, with a honeycomb. And then it's a statue on the ice cream. Ooh, that's my favorite part. That's my favorite. Pasalubong. We went to Dragon Bear Candy next.
Long time ago, Korean traditional dessert. Name is Dragon Beer. Honey, now very hard. Okay, listen.
I'm eating one of my favorite stuff.
Right? But I will make it 16,000 sweet. Honey and corn flour.
They make it until 16,000. It's like very hard, but it gets soft. It's runny.
16,000 sweet. Now honey, 1 sweet, right?
What?
Doubling 2, double 4, doubling 8, double 16, sorry, 32, 6, 64, 1, 128, 2, 256, 500 watt, meter size, 1,024, keep going, 2,000, 4,000, 8,000,
And then after that,
last time, 16,300 stretch. looks like
My grandmom's hair.
Wow. Outside, honey.
My grandmommy's hair.
Outside, honey. Okay, next here.
The
Inside,
honey looks
chocolate
like
inside.
grandma's
Chocolate,
hair.
chocolate.
If you play a game called
Right.
Granny, it's quite scary, but her hair is long. But she has white hair, but she's covered. The two flavors are chocolate and nuts. Peanut butter. He knows Tagalog.
Oh, you can keep outside
And
one
then
month.
she said, pasalubong, pasalubong. Wait for it.
Souvenir. Give me the hand. Black chocolate, try.
Try.
Patikin.
Try.
Patikim. He said patikim. Patikim, patikim.
What was he saying? Sit.
Taste better frozen.
It's better when it's frozen. He gave us for the taste test. He gave us the chocolate flavor. Next, we went to Milky Bee. It's like yogurt that's ice cream. The first time you try it, it's not that good, but as soon as you kept trying it, it tasted more and more delicious. And it's like a rose. It's they make it like a real rose, like a flower. Yeah. I wanted the Oreo one, but yeah, it's too expensive. Chelsea wanted to take the money. He's like, give it to me, give it to me. I want it. I wanted like the green one and the chocolate one and the strawberry. And I also wanted to taste the chocolate, the vanilla, and the strawberry. Look at it. You have to be very precise of what it needs to look like. If it's not right, it doesn't look like that. They're experts. They're designers of ice cream. Maybe they're the one that's gardening, so they can make ice cream. So they garden the ice cream. Just as flowers. You know how they garden ice cream flowers? Oh. They garden it by eating them. Thank you. And coffee. I want to taste. Hey, let me. It's mine. Cheese. Milky Bay is at the corner. It's a bee with milk on it. Look at my face. I wanted some. I quite like the yogurt part and the strawberry part. I quite like it. It's for 3,800 won. It's 800 only. No, 3,800. And I bought the Ariel because like my favorite character in Disney is Ariel. Yeah, but we bought it in a different store. Claire got Jasmine because her name is called Claire Jasmine. And then it looks so beautiful at night. Yeah. They just take pictures. They our tour guide said they never turn off the lights. Yeah, and then we went to Line Friends. We're sitting on its foot. That I totally love. And there's a big bear. Who doesn't love a big bear? It was so big, I think 3 to 4. Ate wanted to like sit on it. 1, 2, 3, hiya! I'm powerful! And I sit! And I move! And ta-da! I magically sit on it. She magic. And then we were fixing its bow. And then there's a lot of stuff there. Yeah, I wanted one of them, but our parents won't allow us. Lime Friends is BT21 also. I think there's
It's very cool. It's like a house inside.
Wait for
For
it.
waiting.
Ta-da! It's a house.
It's a house.
So cute. We're chilling out with the bunny. I forgot. Comment down below if you guys know the name. I remember one of them was called Coco.
Coco. Wait, I know the bunny's called JT.
J.
Yeah.
RJ. Diba it's RJ?
No, it's JT.
Well, we took lots of pictures with
RJ.
the bears.
Yeah, it's RJ.
And the lights and the balloon and the pillows. Next, we went to Artbox.
Artbox is quite nice, and then like there's stuff that's funny.
I can't stop thinking of the time that I bought the whoopee.
Oh yeah, the whoopee cushion.
The whoopee cushion and the squirting camera trick.
She made a prank on me. It's like a kind of red balloon with a cushion inside it, and then when you sit on it,
it makes a farty noise.
Yeah, and then she pranked me. She pranked me.
And there's a lot of pictures that you can take there.
Yeah, there's tons of like, yeah. She pranked me, and then like, yeah, I'm sleeping with a duck. I went awake.
Wake up, ducky, wake up! I wanted one, but Daddy won't allow me.
Daddy Mimi.
But it's still pretty. Then I was like, please, pretty, please, can I borrow it?
Give me your hat. It's my hat. It's my hat.
La 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 la. Yeah, pillows. They also had suitcase. I mean, luggage bag.
Suitcase or luggage?
And we bought one, see? And it looks so cute. Because we had lots of things, we had to buy one.
And I also bought like a flower bag in the next day.
You're telling them the secrets.
Yeah.
And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. If you did, squish the like button and subscribe, like, comment down below if you've been to Myeongdong. Goodbye!
Bye! See you in the next video!